Nigerian Army. The youth of the Southeast have spoken in one voice concerning their reluctance to join the Nigerian Army. Following discussions with the youth from the Southeast, several key concerns were consistently raised. These concerns are outlined below in clear and organized points. 1. Lack of trust in the system. Many youths expressed deep mistrust towards the Nigerian military and government. They believe there is inconsistency and double standards in how security issues are handled. They are very, very angry that convicted terrorists and Boko Haram members are most times rehabilitated and reintegrated. Meanwhile, many of our South youths are detained for long periods under suspicion of being affiliated with groups like IPOB without due legal process. They said that for equal treatment, the Nigerian Army should also release our brothers labeled as IPOB in detention, rehabilitate them and reintegrate them into the society. Southeast youths, Oboya ka Oboya, comment section. Secondly, our youths are asking, why is it only army enrollment they are being asked to register? What of other opportunities in the government sector? They are asking about NNPC, customs, aviation, CBN, Navy, NDA, Air Force, and other oil companies, financial institutions, and paramilitary organizations. They believe inclusion and transparency in recruitment in key government sectors would encourage nationwide participation. Thirdly, our youth observed that many influential individuals, the politicians, elite, and public figures do not encourage or allow their own children to join the military. General Odumegwu Ojukwu was a well-trained and educated soldier. He had masters before enrolling into the army, and his father, Louis Ojukwu, was the richest man in Nigeria and Africa then. When will the likes of Wike's sons, Sheyi Tinubu, El-Rufai, Ojo Zokalo, Dangote's children be asked to join the military? Look at General Yakubu Gowon. He was the son of a pastor. Why weren't the children of our daddy Gio and mommy Gio not asked to join the army? Is the military only for the drugs of the society while the children of our elites enjoy juicy government positions? This raises questions about confidence in the system. Our youths are not happy with the salary and welfare packages of our military personnel. They are not attractive enough given the risks involved. They feel they can pursue safer and more profitable alternatives such as business or agriculture. Other important concern they raised is the way soldiers are being pied indiscriminately by terrorists. They fear they would be pushed to the front lines where they would buy like goats and chickens. In the last how many months, Nigeria had lost 4 generals. 4! They said if everyone would be posted to their states of origin, they would participate. Even our people in the military, there are concerns that they are not treated well in the military too. The Southeastern youths are worried about 1, equal treatment within the military structure. That's not your system, they corrupt. Fair promotion and career advancement, assignment of duties and exposure to risk. They seek reassurance that merit, not bias, determines opportunities. The concerns raised do not necessarily reflect a rejection of military service, but rather a call for reform and reassurance. Addressing these issues, particularly around fairness, safety, inclusion, and welfare, may significantly improve the willingness of Southeast youths to consider a career in the Nigerian Army. Yes, Akacham, don't miss out. Register your kids in our Igbo and mathematics classes today. If your kids don't know how to speak Igbo or solve maths, bring them into my academy. You won't regret it. Do you need a trusted travel agent to handle your trips stress-free? From flight bookings to hotel reservations and full travel planning, I've got you covered. Send me a DM now and let's plan your next trip